What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you've probably noticed that you've never seen me before. So, hi. It's nice to finally meet you. I figured I'd take this opportunity to introduce myself because I've done some self-reflecting and I've come to the realization that it's kind of hard for me to connect with my viewers if they have no idea who I am. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself and give some more background information on this channel. I'm sure not that many people are even going to watch this video, but I know my few loyal viewers, I'm sure, would be interested in knowing a bit more about me. So this one is for you guys. My name is Jason, I am 26 years old, and if you couldn't tell from my videos, I am from northern New Jersey. Please don't make fun of my big ass microphone. This is all I got right now. I got to figure out the whole external audio thing, but for now, it works, okay? It works. And I'm sure you guys probably have some questions like, what got you into reviewing cars? Why haven't you shown your face until now? Stuff like that. So I'm going to answer all those questions. So I guess a bit more about me. I've been a car fanatic as far back as I can remember. Since I was a really little kid, I always knew that I was destined to do something that had to do with cars. It took me a while to figure out what exactly that was. I've had several jobs in the past that all had to do with cars, but none of them really stuck for me. I always knew there was something else out there. In college, I was a driver for Enterprise, and that gave me a lot of good experience learning all the different kinds of cars, being in and out of them all day long every day. It kept me very busy, but I did enjoy it in a way. I very briefly worked in a dealership, but that was very short-lived, didn't really accomplish anything there. And I did work in insurance for about 6 months. I won't name the company, but I did work as a claims representative for about 6 months, working specifically in auto accident claims. And it was during COVID when all companies were short-staffed, so I was kind of set up for failure. I gave it my best shot. I was okay at it, but it was just an overwhelming amount of work, so that wasn't really for me either. And now fast forward to the beginning of 2023. I had decided, okay, I'm going to give it a shot doing car reviews because I've been watching car reviews since I was about 14 years old. Back when my parents first bought their 2012 Acura TSX, I reviewed that car. It was one of the first videos I ever put on this channel. It was the first time in my life that my parents were buying a new car, so I was over the moon excited. So I was going on the internet doing a whole bunch of research on it, and that led me to discovering the whole world of car reviews that's out there. And I totally just got sucked right into it. And I religiously watched car review videos all throughout high school and college. And it was always a thought in the back of my mind, like, you know, that'd be a really cool job to have, I think I would really enjoy that. I always thought that in my head, but never actually thought, okay, I actually should. And now 2020, I was in my senior year of college in my last semester. When COVID hit, everything got shut down. And when everything got shut down, the job market was pretty much non-existent at that point, with only essential workers going to work. So I graduated college, no job lined up, so I did what everyone else did and, you know, just chilled out for a while. I pretty much had like an entire year before I actually got my first job out of college. And I spent that whole year binge watching car reviews, car detailing videos, all that kind of stuff. And that's when it really started kind of clicking in my head, you know, this would probably be something I'd be really good at. But right now with COVID and everything, no dealer's probably gonna let me film, you know, blah, blah, blah. So I just put it off in my head. And then fast forward to January of 2023, I finally started having ideas in my head. Oh, you know, maybe I should give this car review thing a try. And then I bought a gimbal, I bought a GoPro, so I bought a few things to kind of get started. So I'm like, okay, well, I spent money, so, you know, now I have to, right? And then while I was in the process of putting together my first video, I got laid off from my job. And as rough as that was, I took it as a sign, like, okay, maybe it's meant to be, and maybe this is the world telling me it's time to do something new. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna go full in on this car review thing now. I got nothing else to do. And now, a year and a half and 1.3 million views later, here we are. Okay, so now that you know the gist of how I got here, why haven't I shown my face until now? Well, I had a lot of anxiety when starting the channel, and I just didn't know if it was going to be something I was going to stick with. I didn't want to start something and put myself out there and then kind of just turn around and abandon it and have it not pan out to anything. So I only just recently started telling a lot of my friends and people I know what I do. And what I wanted to do first was kind of establish myself and be able to actually have something to talk about instead of saying, oh, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start this channel, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. No, now when I talk to people, it's I've done this, I've done this, I've done that. But now it's gotten to the point where hiding my face is now holding the channel back. So that's why now I think it's the right time to introduce myself to everyone. And going forward, you will see me on camera. Now, I do have some previously filmed videos that haven't gone up yet that I'm not on camera for, but every video going forward, I plan to be on camera. These fruit snacks are amazing, by the way. This video is not sponsored. Black Forest, if you're watching, hit me up. You know what? Looking forward to making more content that you'll see me in, and I'd like to learn a bit more about you guys. So tell me about yourself down in the comments if you've been watching or if you're new here. Up until now, I've only just been a voice behind the camera, and an irritating one at that. That's beside the point. From now on, you're going to be seeing a lot more of me, and I can't wait to see a lot more of you guys too. And check out what I just got dropped off today. This is the new 2024 Acura ZDX Type S. So I will have this car for the week, and in my walk around video, you will see my face. I promise. No more hiding. So that's all I got for this video. If you guys have questions that you want me to answer, leave them down in the comments. Maybe I'll do a Q&A video if you guys are interested. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know down in the comments what other vehicles you want to see on the channel next, and be sure to follow at Optical Automotive on TikTok and Instagram, and check out the page on Facebook. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.